I will turn to Mr. Gonrad Brady, who is president of the Zagros Human Rights Center in Geneva, who helped enormously in organizing this side event. He is particularly involved in the protection of the Yarsan religious minority of the Kurds.
Well, thank you very much for your invitation and everything. I wanted to know, as Mr. President say, I am the last but not least. I would like to remember one point. Unfortunately, Mrs. Alai is not here. Dr. Hassan Hashemai once invited me to talk about the Yarsan group in this round, in this area. And in private speaking with her, she told me, well, I'm wondering, you are 2.5 million, nobody knows you, but we are 30,000 people in Iran. We have a representative in United Nations. I say, very bitter smiling, I told her, you know, the thing is, we are 2.5 million. We don't have, nobody knows us, but you are 30,000, you have 20,000 active Baha'is. And we do not have rare, with finger number, Yarsan is active. For that reason, nobody knows us. I hope this gave us a chance to introduce Yarsani to people, to international, to whole world, that we are suppressing in Iran. And as my before speaker said, explained everything about Yarsani and about everything, I do not say something. I would like to speak about 3-4 points. One, mother language. Second, stop execution, especially the young opposition. Third, taking care of gathering the mines. Over 20 million mines, land mines, has been only in Iranian border between 1980, 1988, war between Iran and Iraq. Still, 26 years after that, we have more than 15 million landmines in the area, and 800 person, kurbat they call it, a Kurdish kurbat. Kurbat means those people, they do not have any employment and they need to feed their family. They do not have any work and they have to carry goods from other side of the border to this side, and they have been killed through landmines or to the policeman, border police of Iranian government. I want to talk about this today, but I will say, because my before speakers, for me, they explain everything about the thing. For all problems in Iran, the government tries to make the economical sanction guilty for the miserable life of people. Non-self-power, because non-example propaganda for bringing Shiism, Islamic Shiism to the world. They have millions of budget, millions of dollars, not 2 months, dollars budget they spend for war weapons in Syria, in Lebanon, in Iraq, but they do not have enough money to spend for create the workplace. The young people, they are educated and expert in their job to get employment. That is the problem. One young lady wrote a letter I didn't want to talk about this, but I want to mention it. It is not Kurdish, it is not Arab, it is not Baluch, it is not Turkmen, but it is Persian. She is married 4 years ago, but she does not have enough money to celebrate their wedding. She wants to leave studying, but she looked for a job. She didn't find any place to work. But she said, all right, she will continue to study. She does not have enough money to go with bus and come back to Iranian, to home. For that reason, she didn't know what she does. She wrote a letter, an open letter to Foreign Secretary of Iran to say, well, I'm sorry, I do not want you to sorry with me, but I want to take care of young people in this country, not hate Islam. This is the main point of this young lady. There is enough money in all Bank of Islamic Republic of Iran to investing to create workplaces for the young people, but they prefer for propaganda, as I mentioned, whom they have self millions of money. For that reason, I didn't want to talk about it. I have a fact, I have a paper that milliardaires, they do not want to pay any taxes, income taxes to Iranian government. They get money, millions of dollars from bank to dip themselves because of that, only under the Islamic law. If the national and religious minorities, such as Kurds, Baluch, Arab, Azeri, Turkmen, Zoroastrian, Christian, Judaism, Yarsani, Dervish, and Baha'is, open their mouth and demand the right of themselves, the right they really needed, they would be suppressed and punished hardly. The majority of this group are in economic miserable situation views, and the government now knows exactly this. Anyhow, the budget which should be invested to renew the province and create the workplace for the young educated and expert peoples, taught whether they give this wealthy person or to spend for propaganda, as I said, like spending for Shiism in Lebanon and weapons for war in Syria and in Iraq. As you may know, one of the Pastaran commander of the chief of Iranian Pastaran is the Revolution Guard, has been killed in Syria. Not only money, milliards of dollars should be supported, but the personnel also, they try to support Mr. Assad in Syria and suppress the Kurds there because of something. Because of not only Assad is one of Alawi person, and they hope this Alawi comes to Shia like Iraq, who today is, fortunately we have here the newspaper, the Kirkuk and Mosul has been get by Kurds, and they just governed by Kurds. And this is, I hope, it is not in hand of extremist Islamic people. It is in hand of Kurds. When I read today some news of Masoud Barzani, the president of the Kurdish region in Iraqi Kurdistan. He said, we sent Peshmerga, the guards of Kurdish military to Kirkuk, to all Kurdish places and never come back. That means they will keep this place. I hope it happens. The majority of the group, I mean the group of Iranian people, as I say, national and religious minority, are in economic miserable situation view, as I said. The government, well, I just talk this orally myself. I do not need to read it. It is certainly sure that the national minority are permanently under the suppression of economic, political, cultural, and social situation. The permanent executing of the opposition people who only want to have freedom and use political critics. That is all, not nothing. Will Dr. Karim say something about Ahwazi today? The premier in German say, well, it is very, very sad for me. Depressing, thank you very much. Really for me, depressing for me to hear that. If they had a guilt, well, I didn't do it, but they didn't have any guilt, anyhow. The most executions are among the Kurds, Arabs and Baluch. After that, it comes Azeri, Turkmen, Lurs and Persians. In addition to this, according to the Sanandaj News, which quoted from Kurdistan media, at the evening of Thursday, Khordad 15, means June 5th of June 2014, newly, few days ago, during the people were at home and did not know anything about the matters, about 150 Iranian Pastaran, the revolution guards, with several cranes. They destroyed the houses, and the people did not have time to take necessary subjects with themselves. Same happened in Oromia, another Azeri and Kurdish town, and Sanandaj, the main town of Kurdistan. Well, this is the thing. The division, some word Kurdi division, our واقعیتی که اما پیویست بزنیم جمهوری اسلامی دخوازه به هر وسیله سرکوت بکا مروبی اما ببرن که من لبی کردی فیبون کردی کم زور باشنی اگوانی که فهم نکن دخوازه من ببرن بحرم واقعیت اویه این چیزایی است که ما باید بگیم ایران کشوری است کسر ملت ایران از ملیت‌های مختلف تشکیل شده و من از عزیزانی که اینجا تشریف دارن اومدن و در این کنفرانس ما سهیم هستن خواهش میکنم ازشون فردای ایران که از بین میره میان سر کار بدونن که ما حق داریم. مگه پدر من گفت خدا به من داده همین خدا گفته همین کار میکنم؟ من نمیگم اینو. من به عنوان فرزند این پدری که میگفت خدا به من داده، من میگم که من یک ملتم، من دارای حقوقی هستم و دلم میخواد که این حقوقم به رسمیت شناخته بشه و آرزو میکنم این در آینده اتفاق بیفته و من از عزیزانی که لطف کردن اینجا تشریف دارن مخصوصا به زبان فارسی تصاویر دارن Mauna. Hey, Mauna.